10, x minus 5.
X minus 5, x minus 10. I'm not sure if I quite heard that, or
Yeah,
they're both
yeah.
negative. Okay, very good. Now this is where we get into the more difficult ones. These are the ones where there's a positive and a negative. Okay.
Mhm.
So let me throw one at you here. Let's say, and I'll switch up the letters here. Let's say it's m squared plus 2m minus 24.
Mhm. Minus 22. Positive 24. X plus 6, x minus 4.
M plus 6. We're switching up the letters.
Oh yeah, m.
All small little thing, but something to think about. Very good. Okay. So here is another one. I'll just switch up the letters again. You try this one for us, please.
Mm-hmm. All right. Is equal 1. Okay. All right. Divided by, let's see, 56 divided by x. Oh, sorry. N plus a n minus 7.
Like this.
Yep.
All right. So I'd like you to FOIL this. FOIL's going the backwards direction.
Oh wait, no. Sorry, it would be n minus a at n plus 7.
Yeah. Now, if you had infinite time, you would FOIL to check your answers,
Yeah.
but you don't always have that.
Mhm.
Okay. Did you guys talk about GCF factoring?
What is that?
I'm going to give you an example here. So my example will be 2x squared plus 22x plus 60. Is there a number that goes into 2, 22, and 60?
2 itself.
Yeah, so if you divide each of these by 2, they sometimes call this divide and slide. You have inside here x squared plus 11x plus 30.
Okay, then I'd do 2. Let's see. 3, 6, 5, no, minus 6. I would do x plus 5, x plus 6, and then I put a 2 on the outside.
Exactly.
Okay.
So really not that difficult, but a little bit different, right, than what we've been doing.
Yeah.
So here is one for you to try. Let's go 2x squared plus 6x minus 108. You're going to first factor out the
Divide by
GCF.
2. Yeah, divide by 2. Let's see. 108 divide by 2. 54. All right, 354. Let's see. Let 54 be 6, 9. X plus 9, x minus 6 with the 2 on the outside.
Very good. Now, sometimes lost in all this is that the GCF, it doesn't have to be just a number. It could be a number or a variable. Okay, and you might be thinking, well, what do you mean by that? Well, let me give you another example. Let's say it's 4x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x. So the GCF here is more than just a number, but it's more than that. There's an x in all three, and there's, in fact, the smallest one is an x here. So you would factor out
from them then?
Yeah, you actually divide everything by 4x.
So it would be 1 and 2, 1 minus 2.
Nope. This is review. The fours do cancel, but x cubed over x is x squared.
Okay.
So if you remember, when you divide,
Oh, okay. So
you
then this one
subtract the
would, and then it would
exponents,
be minus x minus 4
-2.
or minus 2. Yeah.
Okay, could
Minus
you
2. Yeah.
factor that for us, please?
Yep. Um, x plus 2 x minus 1.
Good. All right, so let's have you try one here on your own. Let me find one here. All right, 3v cubed minus 21v squared plus 30v.
Yeah. I could factor that by 3v, or do I just divide by the 3v, right?
Just like the last problem, you're gonna factor out.
Okay, so
Well,
then that's going to be v squared, v squared minus 7v.
yeah, I want you to give me just the final answer here whenever you're done.
Oh, okay. So I put 3 on the outside, right?
Well, it's
And
3v.
then,
There's
yeah,
a v that
3v
goes
on the
on.
outside,
Yes,
and then it would be x
v,
plus,
v. You have v's.
oh yeah, v plus 10v minus 3.
You're factoring out the 3v from everything, so everything gets divided by 3v.
Huh?
Let's go back and look at the previous problem. What did you factor out?
4x.
Everything gets divided by 4x.
Yeah, okay. All right, so
This
then
is really
everything
hard to
gets,
do without writing something down.
okay, all right.
So,
So divide everything by 3v,
yes,
right?
yes.
All right. So that would just turn into v2, 7, 14, 20, minus, so be it, minus 7, okay, plus 10, all right, minus 7. Oh, okay, sorry, I see where I went wrong. 3v, 3v minus, I'm sorry, I know it sounds, 3v on the outside.
Yep, that's fine.
Yep. V minus 10, V minus 3.
Nope, you basically said the same thing again that you did the first time. Are you writing something down here?
Yeah. Because
Okay,
so here's what I have. I
what's in
have it
parentheses
as
here?
V minus 7V minus 10.
It's v squared. V squared minus 7v plus 10. Plus 10.
Wait, V. Oh, okay. That's what messing up. Okay.
All right.
All right. Let me rework it. All right. 3v, v plus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2.
All right. Very good. So next situation here is sometimes you have to factor out a negative, which is like, what do you mean by that? So here's an example. Let's say it's negative 2b squared plus 12b minus 16. So if the leading coefficient is negative, you factor it out. So in this case, you're going to factor out a -2. It's just -2 because there's no b in all of them, but there could be, like there in another problem, maybe there's a b in all of them. So tell me what goes in parentheses here, please.
B2
B squared
plus b squared plus 6b
Isn't this a
Mi-
negative though down here? Positive divided by negative.
minus 6b.
Good.
Yeah, plus 8.
Good. All right. Now, could you factor this for us, please?
Yeah. -2, then b minus 4, b minus 2.
All right. Awesome. Okay, let's go. Here's one for you to try. Close that up. All right. Minus 5n squared minus 10n. What do I want to put there? I want to put, sorry, I'm trying to get the numbers to work out in my head here. It is tough. I'm sorry, plus 15. Nope. Yes, that will work. Let's try that. Okay. What should you factor out of everything?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay, so tell
So
me
be
what
left with
goes in.
n2 plus 10.
Nope.
Sorry, plus 2. Minus 3.
Okay, what happened to the n?
Oh,
Like
2n, sorry. 2n minus 3.
Okay.
All right.
Can you
And
try
then,
factoring this for us from here, please?
yep. N so -5 on the outside.
Yep.
N minus, wait, no, sorry. Wait, no, that's a negative, so hold on. That's to be a negative. -3 plus 2. Yeah, n minus 1 n plus 3.
Okay, really good. That does work. Right. Trying to find one here that kind of culminates all this stuff. So let me find another one here. Let's see here. Yeah, this will be good. All right. Let's do minus 4x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x.
So divide those all by 4, -4.
Well, I just want your final answer, but try to decide if it's just a number or if it's a number and a letter that goes into all of them.
Okay, let's see.
I'm
They
gonna step away.
they all
I'm
have
gonna,
x's, so
yeah, so you are gonna factor out a -4x. I'm gonna just step away for 30 seconds, be right back.
-6 plus 8.
Yeah, so please work this one out and let
I
me
got it.
know. What is your
Um,
final answer?
-4x on the outside.
Okay.
And then x, yeah, x minus 4, x plus 2.
Like that?
Oh, sorry, x plus 4. Yeah.
And is that your final answer? Like imagine you were going to lose your car if you couldn't get this right, access to driving. Like, how confident are you in this answer?
Change them
just
both to
asking.
negatives. Yeah, change them both to negatives.
Okay.
X minus 4, x minus 2. There you go. Then I'm very confident.
Okay. So here's how I'm going to check. I'm going to check by foiling and then looking back. So when you foil x minus 4, x minus 2, it becomes x squared minus 6x plus 8. And then you multiply everything by minus 4x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x. I'm going to grab this, go back up, Hopefully it's the same, and it is. Good job. All right, we're going to talk about some special factors. Do you want us to keep doing factoring, or do you have other stuff you'd want us to do? There's some other special factoring to do. Yes, no, maybe.
Yeah, keep going because I don't know what else she has planned for us.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I don't, I can go off on
Yeah.
a tangent, and you're the
Mhm.
customer here. You got to tell me what you work on. So this is different. This is x squared minus 4. This is called difference of squares.
Mhm.
So this factors into x minus 2, x
Mhm.
plus 2. Let me give you
Mhm.
another one here. Let's say it's x squared minus 9. This becomes x minus 3, x plus 3. X squared
Mhm.
minus 36 is x minus 6, x plus 6. Can you try to tell me how I'm getting the right side from the left side? Like, what's the pattern? What do you see?
Factoring.
Right, we are
Factoring.
factoring, but
Finding
like
the square
how?
root of them.
Okay,
Find the square
I
root.
I agree. I agree. Um,
Mhm.
why don't you try foiling one of these on the right and telling me what you notice after you foil them?
Okay. I get the same on the left as it was on the left.
Right, but like, what did you notice about the factoring? Like, there's something really important when you foil: x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4.
Mhm.
Do you notice anything about what's
Yeah,
there?
so I got x 2x.
I know it's the same. That's the point. But like, what is causing it to be the same? What do you see here?
I don't know, to be honest. I'm kind of confused.
Okay. What is the combination of positive 2x and minus 2x?
Nothing.
It's 0. So these are the
Yeah, they
O and the
cancel each other out.
I's. The O and the I's cancel. Let's see if that
Mhm.
holds true here. X squared
Mhm.
plus 3x minus 3x
Mhm.
minus 9
Uh,
cancel.
yeah, x squared minus 9.
Okay. So we can now talk about what this is. So this is difference of squares. It's a
Mhm.
squared minus b squared. And what a represents, a is whatever it is that you're squaring to get back to the previous thing. B is whatever you're squaring to get back to the previous thing. It's always a minus b, a plus b. So in all the problems we've done
Okay.
here, you can think of a as being x, b as being 2, a is
Mhm.
x, b is 3, a is x, b is 6. Now I
Mhm.
know it looks like a is always x, but that's not always the case. The game
Mhm.
is, when I give you something, and I'm going to give you a new problem here, is you have to figure out what it is that you're squaring. So it's like, let's say I write it this way: 100 minus y squared. You want to think of it as, what am I squaring minus what am I squaring? What goes in parentheses such that when you square it, you get back to the previous line? You square it, you get back to the previous line. So what do you square to get back to
Mhm.
100?
10.
10. Or like you were saying, what is the square root of 100? That's also okay. What's
Yeah.
the square root of
Mhm.
y squared?
Y.
Okay. So your A is 10, your B is y.
Mhm.
It's A
Yeah.
minus B, 10 minus y,
Mhm.
10 plus y.
Yeah. So would that just be your answer then?
That's your answer, yeah. So you have to
Okay.
figure out what it is that you're squaring each time. Let's try another one.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
say it's u squared minus 400. So you have to figure out what is that you're squaring minus what is that you're squaring.
So it would be u minus 20.
Okay, so give me the full factoring here.
Uh, u minus 20 squared, u plus 20. And then the square is on the outside, right?
Well, take a look. Do I have any squares on the outside?
No, sorry.
No. Yeah. All right.
U minus 20, u plus 20.
Very good. Okay. Now, what we can do also is we can make these so that it's more than just a number and a letter. Like it could be 36x squared minus 1. So what do you square to get back to 36x squared? What do you square to get back to 1?
6 x.
Okay.
And I don't know what you do for 1.
1 to any powers itself.
It would
So
just be
1's,
1.
yes.
Yeah, it would just be 1 then.
Okay, so what goes here?
6x minus 1, 6x plus 1.
Good. All right, here's one for you to try. What does this become?
3x minus 7, 3x plus 7.
Very good. I don't know if we have any more. I'll just work through this one real quick for you. So let's say it's x squared y squared minus 9z squared, for example. This is really xy squared minus 3z squared. So it becomes xy minus 3z, xy plus 3z. That's
Okay,
difference of squares.
okay. So
All
that's
right,
the ones where the square to be on the outside.
yeah. Yep. All right, let's go ahead.